to the table. So I'm going to move on here.
Yeah.
What has been the biggest hurdle you have faced as a real estate investor, and how did you solve it?
Good question. Well, uh, yeah. So the biggest hurdle in the market the last couple of years is finding deals that make any kind of sense. And I like to do deals.
Mhm.
I like to bring everybody together, the investors, the lender. Closing these syndications is like bringing a big ship to dock, right? There's a lot that's got to go on. And I really enjoy that. You've got these 10 balls jumping in the air, and you kind of got to bring them all to this one point at this one time to make it happen. It can be terrifying, but it's also exhilarating. So I like making deals. So the hardest thing for me is, how do I stay patient and not do a deal? And it's interesting to circle back on the partnership aspect. Um, my team is three people, primary team: Arn, Brian, and Dan. And I'm kind of the engine. I'm always going, yes, this is good. Let's do it. Let's go for it. And they take the role of the brake, where they go, hold on here, Arn. And you kind of need those voices, And so where we're at in our business is, unless all three of us say yes, we don't proceed. And over the years of working with them, I've come to trust their judgment, where I'm kind of very risk tolerant. They're a little bit more risk adverse. And so they're tending to be a little more cautious. So if I find something that they both agree is something we should pursue, that just gives me additional confidence to go for it. So there's an interesting dynamic within the team. Uh, Everybody on the team can't be go for it. You kind of need that voice of reason and say, hold on a second, let's think about it and let's analyze it a little more and think about it. So that's what we've kind of developed within the team. So they help